I had a request to break down the song Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain, which I did on another video, but I just played it. I didn't really get into the exact, breakdown of the song, the notes and everything. I'm going to just go through it in the key of E. I'm going to try to emphasize the singing tone of the instrument. That's really what you want to work for, and on this song or any song. And just working on that, just, whoops. Okay, the start of it. So I'm on the 9th fret, and a lot of this song works from the straight bar up 1 fret on the 2nd string. Like. Now when it goes back to the B on the 4th fret, it plays on the 1st string and goes up 2 frets. And you can either pick that or slide that. So I'm always working off the chords, and the E chord is on the 9th fret. The B chord is on the 4th fret. And the E note is on the 2nd string at the 5th fret. And you can just end on the E note because it's right there, rather than go up to the E note on the 3rd string at the 9th fret. So I think I started this off with a little turnaround, so it goes like ba ba ba. And then the song starts. So what I'm doing is 2nd string, 9th fret, and then up 1, and back. And then strings 4 and 3, and then up to the 10th fret on the 2nd string. And then I'm doing this little, I'm sliding back. So the first, after the intro, the first phrase is, and then it goes back to the 4th fret, 1st string, but I'm gonna play, I might play part of the chord. You could just play the melody on the 1st string, 4th fret. And that phrase ends on the 1st string at the 6th fret. And then the next phrase actually starts on the same note, but on the 2nd string. It's a G sharp, which is the 3rd of the E chord. What's happening a lot in this song, the melody is going from the 3rd scale tone to the 4th scale tone. So this move. When I say scale tone, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm always thinking in scale tones. I'm not necessarily thinking in notes. I mean, I know what the notes are, but I'm thinking in the numbers of the scale. So the root 3rd and 5th. I'm thinking about that a lot. So then the second part. Okay, I guess I did that. All right, then back to the first part, which is the same. Well, the 3rd part's the same as the first part. That might have been a little different than how I did it on the recording. I might have gone instead of realize that the same notes appear on different strings. And there's the E note, which is the root note of the home chord. And then the high E octave would be on the first string, 14th fret. So for the next part of the song, it goes up to the 14th fret to the A chord and plays the second string. And then up 1 fret, just like in the first section. And basically that phrase is the same thing as the first phrase, just moved up to the 14th fret. And back to the 9th fret. I just slid back to the B there. I want to be on E now. All right, that's just a little bit of a breakdown of the song. I hope that's helpful.